Hi, I am Gladys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see what is GUNN diode. What is GUNN diode? So GUNN diode is a semiconductor diode made up of N-type semiconductor material only. It does not have PN junction like the other diodes. So it has only electrons as the majority charge carriers and it has two electrodes. Mainly it is used as low power oscillator to generate microwave. So what is GUNN effect? This GUNN effect was discovered by John Baptist Combe Gunn of IBM in 1963. He noticed some noise in some semiconductor materials during his experiments and it is named after him as GUNN effect. So high frequency oscillation of the electric current flowing through certain semiconducting materials produces short radio waves called microwaves. This effect is seen in only few materials like gallium arsenide or cadmium sulfide. This is the symbol of GUNN diode. Most commonly used GUNN diode symbol is shown in the figure. So it consists of two filled triangles and two pointed tip of the triangle meeting each other. It has two terminals, anode and cathode. This is the construction of GUNN diode. So as mentioned earlier, the GUNN diode is made up of only N-type material. So here highly doped N plus layer of gallium arsenide. This is lightly doped N layer and this is highly doped N plus layer of gallium arsenide and this is the heat sink and these are the terminals anode and cathode. So lightly doped active layer is placed in between two heavily doped N-type material. The heavily doped material provides conductivity to the diode. It is placed over the conducting base which acts as the heat sink. So mostly GUNN diode material are poor conductors, so it produces lot of heat during the operation and thus the heat sink is used. Anode is formed by placing a gold film at the top of the surface. So about the working of GUNN diode, when no external voltage is applied, the free electrons, which is the majority charge carriers in the N-type material, move freely with high mobility. When it is forward biased, the movement of electrons results in the current. In normal conductors, when the voltage is increased, the mobility of the electrons increases and thus the current also increases in the normal conductors. But in GUNN diode, due to GUNN effect, the electrons with high mobility are forced into low mobility state. Thus the conductivity decreases when the voltage increases. So because of this unusual relationship between voltage and current, high frequency oscillating current is produced. So when the current pulse formed reaches the end of the active region, the next pulse starts. This decides the operational frequency. It depends on the thickness of the active region. GUNN diodes in the market need external voltage of about 9 volt and produces microwaves of frequency from 1 to 200 gigahertz. This is the VI characteristics of GUNN diode. So when the voltage increases, this is the applied voltage. So when the voltage increases, the current also increases and reaches the peak point. So when the voltage is increased further, the current starts to decrease. And this is called as negative resistance region. This results in an oscillation. So this is the valley point, this is the maximum operating point and this is the operating point. So the advantages are size is smaller, manufacturing cost is low, it is reliable and stable at high frequencies, noise to signal ratio is better, operates at high bandwidth. Disadvantages are efficiency is low, operating current is high, so the power dissipation is also high, high turn on voltage, temperature stability is low. The applications are: it is used in microwave instruments and receiver circuits, used in automatic door openers, traffic signal, etc., used in radio communications, used in military systems, used in tachometers. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.